Here we have the Samsung 55 DLP. No, excuse me, the LCD 55 Samsung, my roommates. As we mentioned before, how it shorts out. Well, it's warming up now, and I can start banging on it, and that'll make it makes the lines go away. See, watch, because the TV's getting warm. So it's gonna make that internal connection, and it's gonna fix itself. You just have to bang the connection, and it slowly but surely goes through, dude. See, you can watch it blink. Like it very seriously could connect any moment. See that? Just like that. Look, the picture is crisp and clear, dude. It's like a miracle on heaven, and it's like this. It takes longer and longer now for it to do this. The ribbon cable could actually be losing its connection. The heat expands the connection, and I think it allows it to come back on. But this picture becomes so crisp and clear. I mean, it's just amazing. Please comment below, and if anyone still has any real expertise on why these TVs do this, on the Samsung Samsung flat screen 55-inch, you know, please share your insights. We'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe below.